Having trouble activating your Simple Mobile SIM card? You're not alone. As of September 2025, activation failures are on the rise, especially with ongoing 5G network upgrades. The main culprits are issues with ICCID, IMEI, and profile sync. Let's break down what these are and how they prevent your SIM from activating. ICCID, or Integrated Circuit Card Identifier, is a unique 1920-digit code on your SIM that must match what Simple Mobile has on record. IMEI, or International Mobile Equipment Identity, is a 15-digit code unique to your phone. Your phone cannot be blacklisted and must be compatible with the T-Mobile network. Profile sync is the process where your SIM downloads network settings to your phone and can fail if there's no signal, outdated software, or corrupted data. If any of these three are incorrect, then your SIM activation may fail. First, verify your ICC by dialing *6 on your phone and compare it to the number on your SIM packaging. If they don't match, your SIM is likely counterfeit and needs replacement. Next, check your IMEI in your phone's settings under About Phone. Make sure your phone isn't reported lost or stolen. If that's all correct and you still can't activate your SIM card, try connecting to Wi-Fi and contacting Simple Mobile support via their app or by calling 1-877-878-7904 and ask for a forced sync. Try restarting your phone and toggling airplane mode to reset the connection. If all else fails, Simple Mobile is offering free SIM replacements until December 2025, especially helpful for those in rural areas with weak signals.